All right, so the times are in, and we're happy to inform you about this event, the 100 hurdles for women, and that's the Olympic development prelim at the Tom Jones Memorial Invitation on day 2. It just happened. So here are the results. We have Nia Ali in 12.55, and she takes the lead, followed by Danielle Williams, Jamaican, who took second place in 12.64. Then Kerrica Hill in third in 12.68. Up next, we have Toby in 12.74, followed by Charlton in 12.87. Amber Hughes takes sixth place in 12.89. Gabby Cunningham follows with 13.02. And in eighth place, we have another Jamaican, Crystal Morrison in 13.04. Ninth place goes to Jade Barber in 13.12. And then we have Miriam in 13.17, followed by Michelle in 13.18, Anna in 13.19, Sasha Walls in 13.66, and from Haiti we have Jean in 13.73. So those are the results. Let us know what you think about the times. And good job, Kerrica and Danielle. We're proud of you.